in the period where stagflation is going to make us look at traditional assets differently. And when I say traditional assets, I mean homes, stocks, 401ks. We're going to look at this differently. We have real estate agents that are struggling because homes are still sitting on the market. There's more inventory, but the prices are going up, and that's where we have stagflation. In this period, you have to find the new asset. The new asset, or the assets that you thought was, is not. And the assets that have always been there, people never paid attention to them. And they're still here. You have to look for opportunity and information. That's the new asset, because we're going into stagflation. We're going to see it in the real estate market. We're going to see it in the stock market. Stock market is going to continue to drop. The assets that are deemed valuable are going to go up in price, but they're going to suffer. Like homes. Homes are going to go up in price, but they're going to still sit on the market. They're just going to be high asset untouchables. That's basically what's going to happen. We're going to see a lot of real estate agents get out of the business because nobody's going to be able to afford these homes. You have to know the new asset, where people are investing their money, what's going to be new in each and every sector. You need access to information. That has always been the number one asset. Access to information, access to new investments, assets to staying ahead of the curve investments. Now we're entering a dangerous period in the economy. And this administration, this future administration, knows that. That's why Trump is trying to remove Jerome Powell, because they need those interest rates lowered. And if those interest rates are lowered, they're going to wreck the economy. But here's where the beef is going. This is the beef. The Federal Reserve is controlled by families. And those families are owed money by several countries, the United States being one of them. So the Federal Reserve is owed money, trillions and trillions of dollars. You cannot just step on the Federal Reserve's foot and think that you're just not going to pay them. Like this is a bill that the American people have to pay. And the administration is going to make sure that the American people pay. So it's Trump's family and the Federal Reserve family beefing with each other. But the Federal Reserve won and Trump gave in. Listen, I'm not even going to touch the Federal Reserve, because any way you look at it, if you bring interest rates down, inflation is going to rise. If you keep the rates where they are, they're going to still rise. But we're going to go on a stagflation period where products, goods, services get more expensive, but less and less are bought. Hope you know, guys, that we're entering a dangerous area, and things are not going to be peaches and cream. You're going to need that information to keep afloat financially, mentally, and to gain more wealth, because your 401k is about to be decimated.